Hello everyone, and welcome to another highlight lighting tutorial. So today we're going to talk to you about our RGB plus tunable white LED strip. So the LED strip has a 6 LEDs every 100 millimeters, making 60 LEDs per meter with a 24 watts per meter power consumption. The chip is a Epistar SMD 5050 5-in-1. The brightness is 1500 lumens per meter, and with a 12mm width, it's powered by 3 ounces of high copper flexible PCB, which allows you to maintain a cooler operating temperature despite the very high brightness. It is then covered in polyurethane and silicone to give you an IP65 splash-proof protection. Now the first connector that we have available is our strip to wire connector, which can be very useful if you have different cuts of the LED strip and you want to power them up separately. Now what you want to do is to grab your 6-core cable and place it at the back of the wire side of the connector. Once you've done that and you're sure that everything is sitting properly, you're gonna grab a set of pliers and close the connector. Now we would recommend doing a continuity test before placing the LED strip on the other side in order to make sure there is contact between the connector and the 6-core cables. So in case there's not continuity, you can grab a set of pliers and pull the 6-core cables until contact is made. In order to have the connector making full contact with the PCB, we're going to peel back about 6mm of the 3M adhesive tape. Next, you can go ahead and place the LED strip inside the connector and close the cap. Now be careful not to pull too hard when ensuring that the connector has pierced through the PCB, or the strip will come off the connector. Rather, you can grab a set of pliers to hold down the cap and gently pull the strip back. Then you can go ahead and test each channel to confirm full functionality. We also do have a strip-to-strip connector available to use. We will peel back about 6mm of the 3M adhesive tape again to make sure that the PCB will make full contact with the connector. Then you can go ahead and place the strip with the correct polarity on each side of the connector. You can then go ahead and test each channel to confirm full functionality. Don't forget to click on the like button if you like this video and subscribe to our channel. If you want more information, you can visit our website highlightlighting.co.uk and follow us on our Twitter and Instagram page to remain up to date with latest news. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.
Because you don't know